Fat testing Revenge of the Mummy here at Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. So here is the test seat. Looks like this has to come all the way down until there's a light here. And when it turns green, right there. All right. Behind it.
These chairs are based on our third row. If you need some extra room, you can ask for our fourth row.
Okay.
You can ask for the corner seat.
The corner seat on the fourth row is the bigger one? All right, might as well try it. Here's the seats. The team member said try the fourth row corner seat. It should have a little bit more room. We're gonna try that and see if it works.
These things. This is the so you didn't have this thing and wear it.
So we're trying the fourth row back seat. Let's see how this works out. So it doesn't have to go down all the way. I don't think. We'll see. So that didn't work. It was still too tight. It was like a couple clicks away. But apparently there's an ADA vehicle. I didn't know about this. So we're going to try the ADA vehicle. Before we try the third seat for this fat test, let me talk to you a little bit about the ride. It is technically classified as a roller coaster, though it's really a dark ride with one little launch that goes up to 40 miles per hour very briefly, at least from what I can tell. It opened in 2004 and replaced Confrontation, and it is also found in Hollywood and Singapore. Steven Spielberg hates this ride because it replaced E.T. Adventure in Hollywood. The question is, will the third time be the charm, and will it pass the fat test? Let's get to it. This way. That's me. It passed the fat test. Are you my mummy? Okay, so on every vehicle, the back corner on the fourth row is a little bit bigger than the normal seat. And honestly, the normal seat wasn't too far off itself. And then there's also an ADA that's just a touch bigger than the back row normally. So what I did was on that, I waited for that car. And again, it's just a touch bigger. So it was tight and I had to lift my gut up over it and put it down, you know. But we made it work. And your legs do have to fit up under there, and it hurts my legs a little bit. But Revenge of the Mummy does now pass the fat test with all of that information.